Hi guys, today we'll try to test how safe the power window glass is, the automatic one. So in case if your child puts the hand out or its head, will the window open in case if it senses that there is an object in the way. So first we'll test it using this toy. So I'll put the toy here and start to close the window glass. So as you can see, it actually goes quite far. So I'm not sure if this will be enough in order not to cause any damage. That's why right now I will actually try my hand. Let's do it again. Okay, there was a little bit of pressure, but not too much, and as you can see, it immediately went down, which is exactly what we are looking for. And right now I will actually try it even this way. I will insert my head, my neck in there, and I will start closing the window. Whew. As you can see, it's quite safe, and I must say that this RAV4 was made the right way and all the safety features are there. That's it for our test today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this test was useful, and we will see you in the next video.